So what we have here is the dosing smartwash. And the dosing smartwash is developed as the entry-level system to professional house and roof washing. All right? It holds 50 gallons of SH, 12.5% back here. Another 7 before you go out are loaded in from your bulk bleach storage or SH storage. And when you're out in the field, you change what percentage you're going to apply onto the roof or the siding on this applicator ring, from 1% say for siding and fences to 3% for the roofs. It's a precision measurement system. It's always going to give you exactly what it's intended to do. All right? It also has a 7-gallon post-rinse tank for rinsing off the siding, decks, other places where you want to neutralize the bleach afterwards and leave a little sheen. So a nice little built-in system, spraying for soft washing, all built into one.